86 days after first being admitted to hospital, the former president returned home to his family. Inside his house in Johannesburg, he will now be looked after in his own intensive care unit by the same medics who cared for him at the hospital in Pretoria. His home, the presidency says, has been reconfigured to provide the 24-hour intensive care he now needs. His discharge from hospital was welcomed by family, friends and strangers.
It's good news that he has recovered. It's everyone's prayers in South Africa that he has to recover. And after such a long time that he has been in hospital, it's great news and a relief that he's going home.
I'm hoping it's not one of those things where they take him to home and then he gets sick even worse. I hope he really gets well.
The presidency insists should his health conditions warrant another admission to hospital in future, this will be done. And the official statement says, despite the difficulties Nelson Mandela has, he has always displayed immense grace and fortitude.
The truth is that he is a fighter to the end, and I think that right now the critical element in his makeup and medical condition is his fighting spirit. The whole world looks up to this man, and it's unbelievable how much he is admired.
The former president's stay in hospital attracted visitors from around the globe, with thousands trekking to the medical facility to pay homage to the man who was jailed for his stand against apartheid and who then went on to become the country's first black president in a new democratic South Africa. The media and public focus has now shifted from outside Pretoria to here, his home in Houghton, where international crews and reporters from around the world have converged on his address. But no one is under any illusion that the former president is anything other than very seriously ill and very frail, as his eldest daughter was at pains to point out when she visited.
Yes, the president says very unstable, but we're happy that he's home.
Still critical, sometimes unstable are the key words. However, his family and his close friends and perhaps the whole of the South African public will be much relieved and very happy to hear that the father of the nation is at home receiving care rather than languishing in a hospital bed.